The Beast is ready for its test flight.
We finished. The problem with the oil is fixed.
Okay.
10 days behind schedule, the mega pit stop is now on the home straight. 4 major milestones have cost the team a great deal of patience, hard work, concentration, and sweat. In the space of 50 days, the team has replaced and tested the hydraulic oil and engine. The weapons and ejector seat have been removed and serviced. Everything is done. Well, almost everything.
We are always happy when a job is finished and are already looking forward to the next one. However, the aircraft still needs to be tested. We're not sure how well it will do. If it's a success, then you'll see us all cheering and celebrating.
Test pilot Mikhail Danek, radio handle Marco.
Hey. I'll quickly explain everything we've done.
Following a complete overhaul, the Gripen's first takeoff will be in his hands. Hopefully.
I'm not scared. I used to get a bit nervous when I wasn't so used to it. But now, I'm experienced. Of course, you have to be careful. But I can rely on the team here and the work they do. The flight is just the last piece in the puzzle. But, of course, anything could happen.
The pilot does one last visual inspection and checks out the new engine. But ultimately, he has to rely on the maintenance team's efforts.
This is the number for the new engine. Everything is ready. Good luck.
Thank you.
The Gripen, nicknamed the Beast, makes its way to the runway. Pilot Marco is well experienced. Nevertheless, there are still butterflies whenever the plane takes off, for everyone involved.
I don't even want to think about it, but the worst thing that could happen is that the plane won't take off.